Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Xbox firmware and the game build match the tool's requirements because mismatches break header sync. Once done, enable developer mode or the approved mod interface so you can inject the header safely. You'll need Azure credentials ready and a latency monitor visible. This prevents dropped packets during the latch. Connect your controller, open the game, and prepare the in-game console. These first steps get you into the exact state required to apply the header. You now load the header template from Azure Storage to the Xbox console because the cloud copy ensures consistency across attempts. Next, map the input bindings and confirm the packet timing window. Precise timing avoids corrupt headers. Once mapped, initiate the latch sequence and watch the telemetry. ACK messages mean success, NAK or timeouts mean retry with adjusted timing. Keep the latency monitor in view and adjust the window in small increments until the console consistently returns positive acknowledgements from the server. You finish by validating the game state and saving the persistent header back to Azure Storage so it survives reboots. This step prevents loss. After saving, reboot the console and run a short verification test play to confirm the header behaves under real conditions. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to inspect Azure logs and authentication scopes first, because most issues stem from permission or timing mismatches. Then recalibrate your packet timing and retry the latch sequence with clear log.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.